Department of Medical Education and Research Gov of India tumpatir people se Ayushman Bharat aCard keronpon. Bangso mai ata por phai kep alampen pangching ponsi. Sar koirong phar videsi chairman pen mai chari pon lapen medical staff bron chenat pen ajok aluhia tuma phan pachini ponsi. Karbi poho pen archupon Dr. Numor Mumin DY Speaker ALA alam thej ke jai pon ahut. Kiduk kelak atum ke so hut ong tong ai hemarit longli phelang lapen kachupang rengapi kachepadoi si keso kachelang nang akisung tong dupik lase sarkar pen keso ka chelang ja phan lak pho an bangso Ayushman aCard pen se chelang ilong popusi keso ka chelang ja phan EMCM se tum along tang ka chuhang da de ta chok popusi pachini pon lapen BJP pen kaching thor amo ke claim tang hai amparta uruno toi sita kipi pon ja phan pang dak tekang news desk report time news tifu.
We have done half.
Half part has done, but
this year also I gave another 5 kilometers. So slowly we are coming. The budget, whatever it is given, then we have a very limited budget. That's why. But still, I am trying, and I wrote to Prime Minister also from Silonijan to Kohora that 90-kilometer road should be converted to national highway.
Okay.
If it is converted to national highway, every year we don't need to ask for repairing and all. Central government immediately.
Yeah,
so you pray for us,
okay,
so that if it is sanctioned, then